Hello kiddos, welcome back, and today we are going to do a new concept in mathematics. But before that, let me tell you that do you all remember the concept of bigger number and smaller number? What are smaller numbers? Yes, the number that comes first are smaller numbers, and the number that comes afterwards, that is the other number, will be a bigger number. And ma'am had showed you a trick also how to compare whether the number is bigger number or a smaller number. So our today's concept is based on these two concepts only, that is greater number and less than number and equal to number. Now let's take one example. Mama brought 5 toys for you and your papa brought 9 toys for you. And now what will you do? To whom will you run? To your mama or to your papa? Yes, you will run towards your papa. Why? What made you run towards your papa? Because you are a smart children. Your papa brought more toys for you. That is why you went to your papa first, right? So, our today's concept is based on comparing two numbers, and in this comparison, you have to use different signs, that is the greater number sign, the smaller number sign or equal to sign. So, ready children?
Children, as ma'am told you earlier that today we are going to do a new concept in maths in which we are going to compare two numbers and to find out whether which number is the greater number, that is bigger number or more number, by putting the greater sign, the less than, that is smaller number, few number, by showing less than sign, or equal to where there are same numbers on both the sides by putting an equal to sign. And now let's learn the concept through a story. The name of the story is The Crocodile Story.
In this story, there is a crocodile, and this crocodile will help you out to compare the numbers and make the concept more clear and easy for you to understand. So, do you want to hear? Let's start. Can you see a crocodile? Yes, and it has so big mouth. And it likes to eat bigger number, that is greater number. So let's take an example. See, there is number 8 on the left side and number 3 on the right side. Now the crocodile is looking carefully at both the numbers and comparing, and as ma'am told you, it opens its mouth towards the bigger number. So 8 is the bigger number. Here there is number 2, 5, 25 on the left side, and on the right side it is 1 to 12. Now which number will the crocodile eat? Yes, 2, 5, 25, because 25 is the greater number.
Now let's compare number 1, 0, 10 and number 1, 9, 19. And which is the greater number? Yes, 19. And the crocodile opens its mouth towards 1, 9, 19. And now we'll compare between 1, 3, 13 and number 1. And which is the greater number? Yes, 13. The crocodile opens its mouth towards number 13 as 13 is greater number.
Now children, let's understand what are equal numbers. Equal numbers means same numbers on both the sides.
Now children, look at the numbers carefully on both the sides. What can you see? 7 on both the sides. They are equal, means same, and the crocodile is confused as to which number to eat. So it eats both the numbers equally. Now see, 1, 8, 18 on left side and again 1, 8, 18 on right side. Again the crocodile is confused, and so it eats both the numbers as they are equal.
So children, did you all enjoy the story of a crocodile? And I know you all must have understood that how to compare the numbers and to put the correct sign on the greater number, just like the crocodile. Now children, can you see there are some chocolates kept over here, and now we are going to do one activity for making the concept more interesting and easy for you to understand. Here we will count the number of chocolates on the left side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many chocolates are there? Yes, there are 7 number of chocolates. Now let's count the number of chocolates on the other side, that is right side. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here how many chocolates are there? Yes, 9 chocolates.
Now look who is coming. Yes, it's a crocodile. And children, you already know that the crocodile likes to eat bigger number, that is the greater number. So it is counting the chocolates, and he found that the chocolates are only 7. So it is going back, and now it will count the number of chocolates on the right side, and here it found that here the number of chocolates are 9. So what will it do? It will open its mouth wide towards more number of chocolates. See, it is opening its mouth. So got it, children? That whenever it finds bigger number, it opens its mouth towards greater number. Now children, here are some biscuits kept, and now we will count the number of biscuits on the left side first, and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. There are 20 biscuits. Let's count the number of biscuits on the right side. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. And there are 12 biscuits. Children, the crocodile is still hungry, so it went further to find out some more food. And what did it see? Yes, it saw some biscuits lying, and so it started counting the number of biscuits, and here there were only 12 biscuits. So it went on to the other side to count the number of biscuits, and here it found that there were 20 biscuits. So 20 is bigger than 12. So what does the crocodile do? Yes, it will open its mouth towards the bigger number, that is greater number. Let's take one more example. Here there are some almonds, and now we will count the number of almonds on both the sides. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14. Here there are 14 almonds. Now let's count on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 14. Here also there are 14 almonds. The hungry crocodile came to count the almonds, and here it found that there are only 14 almonds. So again it turned on to the other side to count the almonds, and here also it found that there are only 14 almonds. So it got confused. Now what to do? So it looked straight and decided to eat all the almonds together. And ma'am told you earlier that when you see same number on both the sides, you put an equal to sign. Children, it's time to do some more practice. But before that, let us first understand what does the concept of greater than and less than sign indicate. The wide mouth open of a crocodile shows greater than. On the other side, the closed mouth shows less than. Put the correct sign. The signs include the greater than sign, equal to sign, and less than sign. Children, you all must be having a square line book, and in that square line book you have small boxes like this. And so ma'am has drawn a box for you to show you how to draw the sign correctly in the box. First we'll start with the greater than sign, and for that you will touch the top corner and draw a slanting line and touch the center of the box. Now from here draw opposite slanting line and you will touch the corner at the bottom line. And now we will draw equal to sign, and for that you will draw a sleeping line in the middle of the box and leave some space and draw another sleeping line, and the lines should not touch each other. Now let's draw less than sign. For that again you will touch the corner on the top and slowly draw a slanting line and touch the center of the box, that is the line. And again from there draw an opposite slanting line and touch the bottom line. Let's take the first example, number 3 and number 8. Now compare the numbers. Which is greater? Yes, 8 is greater. So the crocodile will open its mouth towards the greater number because it is hungry and it likes to eat bigger number. Let's draw the greater than sign. For that draw a slanting line and touch the center of the box, and from there again draw opposite slanting line and touch the bottom line. Got it? Now Next number 1, 1, 11 and 6. Let's compare the numbers, and 1, 1, 11 is greater number. So the crocodile opens its mouth towards number 1, 1, 11. Now we'll draw the greater than sign. For that, touch the corner at the top and draw slanting line and touch the center of the box, and from there again draw an opposite slanting line and touch the line at the bottom. Now 7 and 7. Here both the numbers are same. Means with sign. Yes, equal to sign. We will put an equal to sign. Draw a sleeping line in the center of the box. Leave some space. Draw another sleeping line. Remember, the lines should not touch each other. Right? And now let's take another number. 2, 1, 21 and 2, 3, 23. And which is the greater number? Yes, 2, 3, 23. And the crocodile will eat the bigger number. So let's put the sign. Again, touch the top and draw a slanting line. Touch the center of the line. And again draw an opposite slanting line and touch at the bottom. Got it, children? Now, next number 1, 9, 19 and 1, 4, 14. Which one is greater? Yes, 1, 9, 19. So the crocodile will eat the number 19. Let's put the correct sign. Again, touch the line at the top, draw a slanting line, touch the center of the box, and again draw an opposite slanting line and touch the line at the bottom. Now our last example, 1, 0, 10. Here also 1, 0, 10 means both the numbers are same. So we will put an equal to sign. If the numbers are same on both the sides, we always put an equal to sign, and for that you will draw a sleeping line in the center of the box, leave some space, draw another sleeping line. The lines should not touch each other.
Understood, children? Hope the concept of put the correct sign is clear to you. Do practice along with your parents at your home.